Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to install the origin mode in Minecraft Aternos, then this video is for you. So first you have to do is simply go to the aternos.org, and from here you can go get your server. If you have one, you have to log into your account. Now we are going to create a new account by simply click on this plus create button here, so it will allow us to create a new account. Make sure that you are on Java Edition. But if it's not, then you can click on it and you can change the Java edition from here. Then simply click on this here, simply click on plus create icon, and here you can see it has just created your service ready. Now you have to do is go back, and you have to simply sorry for that, go back again, and from here simply click on this. When you are on this page, simply click on skip, and it will actually ask for make a backup, but I'm going to skip it right now. Make sure that our server is still offline. So if it's offline now, you can do is you can go to the software. Here you can find the software, simply click on this change button here, and from here you have to change the software to the Fabric. Here it is. Now simply click on it. Fabric is best for mods. Now from here you have to choose a version here, so possibly this star icon all are recommended for your server, so I'm going with a one recommended from here, the latest probably. So from here, if you want to install it, simply click on this install button here. Now you can see it has just installed. Now the next thing we have to do is you can find the mods tab here at the left side navigation bar. Simply click on mods, and from here you can find different types of mod here. Now first thing you have to do is go click on this Fabric API. Now when you have click on Fabric API, you have to simply find this version that is the recommended here in the version, and simply click on this download icon here, and it will download the mode on your server. Sorry for that, that's not mode, actually the Fabric API. So we have just installed it, and then now you have to do is go back again and simply search for origins origins mode. Simply search for it, and you can find extra origins here, so simply click on it, or you can simply search for only origins, and you can find this origins fabric here. So that's what we are looking for. Simply click on origins fabric, and from here you have to go with one of these from here, probably the first one here. So simply click on it. This is actually the recommended one, so I'm going to click on it, and you can see it has just downloaded here, and you have to now go to the worlds. Now you have to create a world. You can generate a world by simply click on generate button here, and now it will ask for that your world name here. You can add your world name, your current seed here. Then the generator, you can simply add any generator here. So also the world type, where you can find this here. You can create normal, default, super flat, amplified, or large biomes here, just like this. Also the generate structure, turn it on, and the data pack if you have one. Then hardcore, you can turn on the hardcore and simply click on generate, and it will generate the world for you. You can see also if you have one, then you can upload the world file. If you have one, simply click on upload and search for here like percentage, let me show you, percentage app data percentage, and hit enter, and you can find .minecraft button here, and from here you can find the .fabric. Also you can find this mode here, and from here you can find this let me show you. Here you can find the saves file folder, and you can find the world that you have added. You can simply upload that file. You can simply easily do it. So simply single click and simply click on upload, and it will allow you simply click on upload, and it will upload the file data here. You have to wait until it upload the file data. So when it's uploaded, you have to go to the server. You have to wait until it completes here. Then you have to go to the server here, or it actually asking for that. So I'm going to wait for uploading. So the upload process is about to finish here. So here you can see it has just uploaded. Now you have to go to the server and simply click on leave button here. And when you are on the server, you have to simply click on start and simply click on yes, I accept that EULA. So that's pretty much all thing to get the origin modes for Minecraft through this Aternos. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.